This is my favorite hairbrush. It's by Tangle Teezer, and this is their ultimate detangler. Tangle Teezer said that they're releasing this plant-based brush, and they're calling it the plant brush. They say that it can do anything that this OG guy can do, and I want to put that to the test today. So come with me while I do a side-by-side comparison test with the plant brush and the ultimate detangler with a technique called brush styling. Brush styling is definitely my favorite way to use this brush because it encourages and defines my natural waves and curls. This side with the ultimate detangler. Now let's try out the plant brush on this side of my head. The reason it's so easy to use these brushes on straight to the curliest hair, wet and dry hair, is because Tangle Teezer took time to design this brush so that it is painless and breakage free. Now let's see what it looks like dry. All right, gel cast is set, my hair is dried. Here are my thoughts. Overall, it gets a 10 out of 10 for me. I cannot tell the difference between these two. I mean, look at that definition. I think it speaks for itself. If you are somebody who is interested in finding a product that is more sustainably made, then the plant brush is the option for you. Tangle Teezer, you've done it again.